So what's up guys, today we're gonna be talking about S20 Ultra that we should buy S20 Ultra or not. I will be telling you a 5 reason that you shouldn't buy S20 Ultra. By now you are up to speed on Samsung S20 lineup of the year. Samsung didn't bother to replace the last year Galaxy S10e but keep it 3 devices lineup intact with the introduction of the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra at the very high end of the spectrum. If you are not in the market of a killer flagship smartphone on paper, this Galaxy S20 Ultra appears to be perfect. That being said, there are few issues worth considering which may keep you from buying this phone. Which phone? S20 Ultra. I have put together a list of items to consider. The second reason you should not buy is the ultra large display. We all know the smartphone have gotten bigger than bigger with each new generation, but I think we can all agree that they're limited payoff when a phone weighs half a pound. Yeah, the Galaxy S20 Ultra has a massive 6.9-inch display, roughly the size of a small tablet. Yes, it still fit in your pocket, but you will want to pull it out every time you sit down. If you don't want to, it stab you. The phone also weighed 222 grams, just shy of a half pound. If you thought last year Galaxy S10 Plus was heavy, the Galaxy S20 Ultra is 26% heavier. A lot of people interested in this phone are looking forward to its immense power and battery life for a gaming, but they probably haven't factorized in the extra hand fatigue they are looking at due to the phone weight. The marketing hype Samsung is trying to push with the Galaxy S20 Ultra is beyond ridiculous. Samsung had even printed space zoom 100x on the phone rear camera module. Seriously, the Samsung claims that with a steady hand you will be able to take up close photos of objects they are miles away, and then even did a demo at a launch event. They're just one catch and the results are a blurry mess even if you are using a tripod. You did probably be better off snapping a picture with a 108 megapixel man camera sensor and then cropping it. That being said, that the 10x zoom feature seems to work quite well, and I'm honest excited to use it more. You all have our listed our personal complaints we bring to be a table. While I have been using Bluetooth headphone for years, but it still irritates me when a phone of a size comes out without headphone jack. The phone is 1 mm thicker than a S20 Plus, and I have already pointed out the phone is practically the size of a tablet. There is no reason why they couldn't throw in a 3.5 mm headphone jack as well. Especially they have charging nearly a grand and a half for this thing. What makes things worse is that the new Sony Xperia 1 and the LG V60 both include a 3.5 mm jack headphone, making them a better and cheaper option for audiophiles. To smartphone, changing build material for metal to glass has produced some of the most incredible looking gadgets I have ever seen. I don't think anyone can deny that the prism glass back to the Note 10 glass last year was a jaw-dropping, and the orange, green and a yellow finish of last S10 lineup were fantastic as well. But if you are going to spend $1,400 on the S20 Ultra, you will only be able to choose between grey and black. Thought of the most boring color option we have seen in a very long time. Now I know that this phone isn't going to be a hot seller, so having a half dozen color option really isn't needed. But there should at least be one color that matches what you will be paying for the phone. And there you have it. It's my 5 reasons why shouldn't buy a Galaxy S20 Ultra. There is nothing fundamental bad about the phone, but Samsung could have made it much more compelling with a new minor tweaks. It will be interesting to see how well the phone sells, since Samsung has already shown that its flagship lineup is no longer accounting for bulk of its smartphone sales, with more and people opting for mid-range devices. I don't see how Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra and its $1,400 price point will help reserve the trend. So thank you for watching our video. Smash the like button if you like it, share it and subscribe our channel, so we will be producing more videos like that. Thank you.